Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the CAS video update today. And we're looking at CAS right now. So eventually the process is continuing on, and as time passes by, from the last time we talked about CAS on the update, is that you move to the upside right there. Got the rejection. You can see very, very clear rejection, and ever since you were up here, you started to come down once again. Okay, now there's one more thing that I want you to pay attention to as well, and I'm going to take the trend line here. So placing the trend line right there, and you do have the 1 hour chart. So I'm just going to show you this 1 hour chart as well. All right, so boom. Okay, the 1 hour chart has left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder as well. So what a perfect timing to maybe start to take an entry. I mean, you have a very big opportunity to go down here. Okay, this is a very massive opportunity, and this might be the perfect time actually to have a trade for CAS. You see, down all the way down here, we're talking about so we're talking about a technical target, and we're talking about a profit of nearly 32.94%. That's huge. Okay, 32% is really, really huge, and you potentially have a risk of 8% to the upside. Okay, so yeah, there's always going to be a risk to get something back, but I do think based on how the patterns are looking like, this is something that definitely should be tried. Okay, that's a recommendation. Now do this at your own risk. Do this at your own money management and stuff like that. So at this point of time, if I was I would probably just take this one right now. So what is the day today? You are at Friday, and I want to see how the Friday time looks like. So you can see you got 2 more days to actually close the Friday. Now a lot of people, I know, they're going to say that, oh, we have a morning star, boom, time to push up. But actually you're looking at the wrong time frame right now. The weekly is not the time frame to look at, but I will just say that the daily is the perfect timing at the moment, because on the daily time frame, you also, not only on the 1 hour you have head and shoulders, but on the daily you have a shooting star right there. So it does look like you're looking to go down, and in the next 5 hours here, if you do come down like this, you have an evening star, and then boom, you continue to the downside. This was your high, and you're looking for a move to the downside. So that's it. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.